That's exactly what I'm telling them. It's digital marketing from A to Z, part 12. Let's go. Today we have the letter L. Landing pages, lead generation, and linguistic tricks. Landing pages. These are the virtual doorways to your online store. A well-designed landing page can make curious visitors loyal customers. Lead generation. This is the art of attracting potential customers through strategic marketing efforts. Think email signups, content creation, and irresistible offers. And linguistic tricks, otherwise known as persuasive linguistic tricks. These tricks are like emotional languages or specific choices of words that impact your content and spreads across the platform. And if you apply these three, you will attract more traffic to your store. If you want to grow in your digital marketing, continue to watch, follow, and share. And if this is the type of digital marketing you want to get into, drop a how in the comments.